Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? It's the Hala Hala Hikers. We're in Big Sur, California. We just woke up and big leaves and there's big trees and it's gonna be a big adventure today. We spent the night at Pruitt Ridge overlooking a vista that we were above the clouds and just had one of the most amazing sunsets. So it was a great night last night. Today we are going to hike. We're at the Buzzards Roost Trail. We're gonna take you along with us. So let's go for an adventure. Keep going.
It's a big tree.
That is a big tree. Oh yeah. Cool. As you can see, Big Sur is gorgeous. It's such a great place to camp and hike, and it's really easy to disconnect here. It's almost like there's no cell service at all. That means no news notifications, no social media updates. It's just you and Mother Nature. Well, we made it to the top of Buzzards Loop. It's a nice 360-degree panoramic view of the surrounding mountains. You can see just a little bit of the ocean on the other side over there. Very nice, very nice. And that is it, guys. Another beautiful day hike. We highly recommend coming to Big Sur for camping, hiking, whatever outdoor adventure you feel like doing. This is a beautiful spot to visit. I wish we could spend a couple more days here. We're gonna go find a camping spot for the night. I'll leave you with this beautiful view. We're at the Bixby Bridge. And I wanna remind everybody to continue to get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.